Welcome to the India Abroad Weekly Bulletin, your 5-minute wrap of the stories connecting India, the US, and the diaspora. California Governor Gavin Newsom's veto of Senate Bill 509, targeting transnational repression, has ignited debate. Though unanimously passed, critics warned of bias and redundancy. Indian American groups hailed the veto as a win for equity, sparking dialogue on security versus civil rights. In a landmark move, Google will invest $10 billion in a massive data center and AI hub in Andhra Pradesh, marking its most substantial commitment to India to date. The 1 gigawatt Vishakhapatnam campus, blending AI, renewables, and fiber networks, marks India's bold stride in global tech dominance. In a historic reform, India's Ministry of External Affairs has introduced the Overseas Mobility, Facilitation and Welfare Bill 2025, set to replace the 1983 Immigration Act. Aiming for safer, data-driven migration, it establishes a new council to protect 13 million overseas Indians and modernize global workforce management. This festive season, Indian spirit lit up the world in dazzling style. In Texas, Mantra Parland's Durga Puja burst into a spectacular celebration at the Ugisa Culture Center, complete with devotion, dance, and a free medical camp. Chicago shimmered with two grand Diwali galas, blending laughter, music, and tradition, while New York sparkled as Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas brought Bollywood glamour to the glittering, all that glitters Diwali ball. From Texas to Times Square, the diaspora's joy, pride, and light shone brighter than ever. Inspiring success meets heartfelt homecoming. Indian American finance trailblazer Priyal Patel, CFO of BEAR's North America cluster, will receive the prestigious Truman State Distinguished Service Award on 17 October. From her rise at Monsanto to steering BEAR's financial strategy, Patel's leadership shines across corporate and community spheres, championing education, equity, and empowerment. Atlanta pulsed with Indian pride as culture and creativity took center stage. At Georgia Tech's Indian Classical Arts Organization, Arohi celebrated Carnatic legend Muthuswami Dikshitar's 250th birth anniversary with musicologist Kanix Kannikeswaran unveiling his book Anubhuti, live performances, and a mesmerizing film Colonial Interlude. Meanwhile, the Greater Atlanta Telangana Society made global headlines by unveiling a record-breaking 43-foot Bathukamma, the world's tallest and America's first, crafted from 25,000 feet of flowers by 50 volunteers, drawing over 5,000 revelers. From classical ragas to blooming traditions, India's cultural heartbeat soared across Georgia. Redefining beauty with purpose. Indian-American environmentalist Shifali Jamwal wowed the world at the 48th Mrs. Universe pageant in Manila, winning the Mrs. Ambition title for the USA. Championing sustainability, Jamwal donned only rented or reused outfits. Her glacier halo and melting icicle dress symbolizing climate urgency. As India and the US deepen ties through innovation, culture, and community, the vibrant diaspora continues to build bridges of progress and pride. From groundbreaking investments and bold policies to dazzling celebrations and inspiring leadership, this partnership shines brighter than ever. That's your week in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching the India Abroad Weekly Bulletin, news made for Indians abroad. Visit our website for more updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay connected and empowered. Thank you, and see you next week.